So now after your store has been set up, we've got to do a couple more things just to complete the entire setup process. So number one, you're going to get an email after you set up your store from Commerce HQ saying congrats on setting up your first store. And again, there's a bunch of links in there to help you get started or answer any questions. Of course, if you have any more questions you don't have answers to, you can also email support@commercehq.com. You're also going to get an email from Namecheap. That is the provider that we use in Commerce HQ for you to be able to purchase domains. You're going to get an email from them like this, and you want to click the link in the email to confirm your new domain purchase. Now, we don't want people calling our personal phone number for customer support with people who buy products from your store. So we should set up a 1-800 number or 1-888 number or whatever from Grasshopper. So go to Grasshopper and set up that phone number. It's a very, very simple process. And let's just go and do that now. So I would start with the ramp plan. It's $24 a month. So I like this one here, 888-432-6288. That sounds good. And we're going to reserve and continue. We're going to uncheck that upsell and go continue. And then you fill out all your information here. Okay, then you just set up some information about your company and go continue. And then we sign in. So there's your phone number. So this phone number is really important. You want to use this phone number and of course your email for any type of support for your store. So what you want to do is take that phone number and you're going to be using it for any customer support issues. So definitely want to have it at your merchant accounts. So we're going to go into Stripe, sign in, and PayPal and put that phone number in both. Okay, we're going to go to the left side to business settings. And right down here is your public information. So we're going to change this to Neat Nerdly. HTTPS, and that's where you change your phone number, and then support website will also be here, and this is going to be neatnerdly.com. Okay, so for the address of your store, which is public information, you don't really want to put your own address because you're going to have people returning products and orders back to your house. So instead we use a shared office address really in any city that you choose. So I'm going to go to Google, type in Toronto Share Office Space, and we'll just grab one of these here. Okay, so that looks good. This is how you want to set up your public information for your merchant accounts. And before we're going to save that out. We're going to go to sign up for PayPal and go to sign up for business account. And then get started with PayPal payment standard, $0 per month. And put in your support email address. Business contact information is going to be Neat Nerdly. Okay, business type, that's up to you. It depends if you have a sole proprietorship or corporation. And usually we would just do something like clothing, accessories, and shoes. Okay, so now your PayPal account is set up. You want to go to Profile, Business Setup, and just make sure that the public information is correct. So account setup. So that looks good, Neat Nerdly. That's what people are going to see. I can actually just make this smaller. We'll confirm our business account in a sec. I go to Profile and Settings. And here's the business info. So name is Neat Nerdly, email address support@neatnerdly.com. There's the address, and there's your business phone number. So it looks like we're all set up and good to go on the PayPal side. Now what we're going to do is set up our email, support@neatnerdly.com, with something called G Suite. So Google Admin. This is where, so we're actually going to use Gmail to do our customer service email responses. So we're going to go to G Suite. We're going to go to Get Started. And you go through the setup process. I'm just going to log in after to show you how it works, since I already have an account. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to go to domains. We're going to add our new domain. So right up here, add a domain, our domain alias. Add another domain and type it in. So neatnerdly.com. Continue verify domain ownership. Namecheap.com. And we're going to add the TXT records below to DNS configuration. So you copy this, you go back to Commerce HQ, store setup domains. Then here you go click on the settings button, the machine wheel, and right here add a TXT record. Okay, so that's been added. We'll go back and verify. And boom, it's been verified. So we go continue. Now we're going to set up the actual email by setting up a user. So we go to users. Down here, bottom right, add user. First name, like I said, we're going to just use the same name as before we made up, Jessica Kroll. That's going to be our support person. And then choose the domain. Okay. So it sets up a temporary password. You can copy that and then you're done. So now what you should be able to do is go to gmail.com and log into your new Gmail account. Paste in that temporary password, accept the terms, and create a new password. Okay, so now we have our new support email inbox for all of our customer service requests with our new store, but we're not done yet. We have to actually go and put in the MX record values into the domain in Commerce HQ. So just Google Gmail MX record values. Come in here, copy each one. So this is going to be priority 1. So again, we're in the domain settings in Commerce HQ, store setup, domains, machine wheel, and add MX record. So priority is 1. Paste this in, add. Okay, next one, priority 5. Copy the next one, 5 again. Next one is 10. And finally 10 again. And you should be good to go right after this. Okay, so that's all done. We can close this out. Now we can go and actually test our email by going to our inbox and sending ourselves an email. Okay, so I'm going to send myself an email. I'm going to go to my email inbox and boom, there it is there. And I'm going to reply back. Yes, this does work. Send that to Jessica Kroll, support@neatnerdly.com. Go back to the inbox and boom. So there we go. Our support email is now working. Now we can actually confirm our email address in Stripe and with PayPal.